So here we have this YITAHOME fabric dresser. Now I'm gonna unbox it, put it together, and then give you a quick review. All right, so I got all the parts laid out here. Looks like the frame is just made of these two side supports and then these two square tubes. Then there's the 4 drawers that were all wrapped in plastic and the top of the dresser. Then a few packets of hardware and the instructions. So let's get started. All right, so there's really not much to this one. We're just gonna assemble this frame here with these 4 screws. Next, screw in the awesome little leveling feet, stand it up, and then grab the, oh, I'm not sure why that's orange. That's pretty weird. Anyways, screw that in with these 4 screws, and there we go, we're all finished. Just kidding, we obviously still have to assemble these drawers, so just put the bottom in and then screw on the handles. All right, there we go. It's all finished. Looks all right. Kind of a minimalist contemporary style dresser. The only support on this is just this really simple metal frame, so it does have a bit of wiggle. Not a big deal for a fabric dresser, but they could have easily just had a cross brace on the back here and it would have made it a lot more sturdy. Then the drawers, of course, are just made out of hardboard with fabric covering the outside, and they're 16 inches long by 11 inches wide and 8 inches deep. Pulling it all the way out, you can see it just slides on these 2 angle irons here that are welded to the square tubing, and I really appreciate how they have this stopper tab in the back so the drawers don't slide all the way out. It has leveling feet, so that's pretty helpful, and then a nice flat top that you can put a lamp on or some sort of display item. Anyway, the dresser stands at about 37.5 inches tall and almost 18 inches wide. So overall, I think it's a really cute little dresser. There's not a ton of space, so it's definitely more for the minimalist. So as long as you don't have like a ton of clothes, then this will work just fine. Or maybe you already have too many clothes and you just need an additional dresser for a little bit more space. Either way, this is a good choice and I would definitely recommend it.